Hi everyone! Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. It's back to school check-in time. Okay, so my window clip broke, so I gotta do this holding my phone, and that's dangerous. So I'm in a parking lot right now, but I'm broke. The Peekaboo went back to school this morning. It's the first day of school, and I'm broke. It's like that time of the month where all the bills came due, so I have no money to go Junkin with, and I'm going anyway because I have 2 full frequent buyer cards. So I have 2 different stores I can go to and spend $10, so I'm going to. If I don't find $10 worth of stuff, I don't get to buy anything. So let's see what we can find. Oh, it's Senior Tuesday and it's after lunch, so they're all out. It's gonna be crowded and slow. All right, I can't do too much time lapse because we're supposed to be hands-free in this state and I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay, made my first stop and it was totally worth it. I spent $12.40, so I had the $10 off and I had to literally give her like the quarters out of the bottom of my purse for the $2.40 because I don't want to charge $2.40. That's embarrassing. I don't want to put that on my debit card. So I got, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not lying. I picked up this entire set of kids books. Now they're hardcover kids books. It's a treasury of stories or something like that, and I'll show you guys. And their hardcovers are $1 a piece at this place. And there were 8 of them, and I wanted all 8 of them because I'm like getting ready for a big show, and these are vintage kids books, which always do well, and I know I can get like $6 a piece for them. So since I'm only paying $1 a piece, it was still a really good profit. And then the lady says, I said, but kids books are 25 cents a piece. I said, are these kids books or are they hardcovers? And she said, well, they're considered hardcovers, but you know, you can fill a bag of books for $3. And I said, including these? And she said, yeah. So I went and got a bag, and I went looking for more vintage books for this show because they're really great for staging and they're really pretty anyway. And people will buy them because I color coordinate them, and then people love them. But it got even better. Can you imagine it even got better? There was an autographed copy of Rosa Parks' autobiography. I'm not selling it, I'm keeping it. I'm so excited, I can't even believe it. It's a library copy, so I'm hoping it's a genuine autograph, but I'm keeping it either way. But it was a library copy, and I thought, well, I'm gonna get it because I hadn't read it yet. But I was gonna put it in because I have this bag to fill for $3. So, and then I opened the cover and it's autographed. I was so excited. I'm a total book junkie, and I was so excited. I'm like, just made my day. So for $3, I got like $40 worth of kids books, another $12 or so in hardcover adult books, and then the Rosa Parks autograph copy for me. I'm so excited. And then they had Ironstone. It just kept getting better for $2. And I mean, I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then they had glass fruit and beaded fruit, which I also need for staging this show. It couldn't have got better. So I'm at the second location, and I got another $10 to spend here. Let's see what we can find here. Hopefully it's just as good. Did you feel me overspending on that one? I should have known that was gonna happen. Yeah, by $10. Let's hope I have enough gas to get through the week, because that cut into my gas. But let me show you why. Let me get to where I'm going, then I'm going to show you why. Okay, got you guys like positioned just right so it hopefully won't fall over. I'm getting a new window thingy. It's coming from Amazon. So this thrift store in particular is just very expensive. It's just, that's the way it is. They're just really, really spendy. But this was totally worth it. It's a planter from the 1950s. And it is $5. So, yeah, I'll take that every day of the week. And then another $5 treasure. They did not have this one marked as an antique, but they still marked it at $5. It is depression glass. And it was $5. It's yellow depression glass. And speaking of depression glass, I got a reference book on depression glass. And I think I have another one, but this was, I believe, a newer one. And it has really great photographs in it. So lots of really great color illustrations, which I love. Color illustrations help me out quite a bit. And the prices are irrelevant at this point in the book. But like the yellow depression glass that I just got. See, it's just got beautiful color pictures of everything. So I picked that up, and here's the really weird thing. They had two of them. One was the 6th edition and one was the 14th edition. This is the 14th edition, which is marked $1.50, and the 6th edition was $3.50. Okay. Bye! And then I got Walt Disney Storyland. This is from 1975, but again, it is vintage enough to go to this show that I'm going to, and they sell really well. Kids' books sell really well. So I'm bringing that. And another kids' book was only 75 cents. The Tuckers. So this one is even older, but I'll take it. And then I can show you later everything I got from the first thrift store, because that Rosa Parks book is still just, yeah, I'm floating from that one. I don't need much more. I'm so excited. But let me show you everything I got from the first thrift store. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm always appreciative for every comment, and I like chatting with you guys. So some of you have found my email address, some of you found my place of work. Either way, you know, don't call my work, because they're not as appreciative as I am. So I appreciate you guys being here, though. And I appreciate, hi, my new subscribers, appreciate you guys being here. I'm so grateful that you spend your time with me. And thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.